Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong career and money and finances reading for January 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay, and pa-follow, like na rin na ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And of course, it's Capricorn season. So to my fellow Capricorns dyan, happy birthday, happy solar return sa inyo. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, good health. Ayan. So let's see, Capricorn. Ano ang ganap sa kaperahan? Siyempre, main concern ng mga Capricorn yan. Money, money, money. Anong ganap? Virgo energy, being methodical, aligned, and ritualistic. So, I think, meron kayong mga ayusin na routines ninyo in terms of paano kayo gumamit ng pera, no? Mas magiging, kayo ngayon? Disiplinado in handling your finances. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, finally magsusulat na kayo ng mga expenses ninyo, yung cash flow ninyo. And of course, kailangan to be more responsible sa inyong cash flow. So, yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong bagong trabaho na papasukin. Some of you are going to enter a business as well related sa health and beauty, or sa health and wellness, no? And also, isa rin sa bibigyan nyo ng attention yung inyong kalusugan. You also have the Cancer energy, so this is being sympathetic, being more comforting, ayan. And also, I think, mas, magiging sensitive ka rin sa emotions mo, sa mga nararamdaman mo. And even in decision making, I think mas magiging practical ka in making decisions pagdating sa trabaho, sa career, sa business mo, and mas magiging focus ka rin sa family or sa home life mo. Uy, may opportunity for you. So, parang merong magbubukas na bagong opportunity related sa creativity mo. So, you might be creating new things that will bring in income, no? Pwede mong pagkakitaan ng pagiging creative mo, pagiging artistic mo, yung iyong talents, yung iyong skills. Ayan. Some of you will also be collaborating with others, no? Merong opportunity na makikipagtrabaho kayo sa iba. You will share your knowledge, your skills with others. Meron kayong iimbentohin. Yung iba sa inyo nasa science department or nasa area of expertise ninyo yung gadgets, technology, or sa information technology sa internet. You also have, wow, ang ganda nito, may abundance, may grapes. So, harvest rin to. So, yung iba sa inyo na meron kayong sinimulan na business, trabaho, career, it's harvest time. Yung iba naman, literal na harvest na mga itinanim nyo sa farm, kung kayo ay merong farm. But this is about being more abundant, no? Enjoying the fruits of your labor. Ayan, yung bunga ng mga pinaghirapan ninyo. Wow, ang ganda nito. Capricorn, may rainbow, meron kang wish granted. There is a blessing. Abundance na naman. Wow, yung mga minamanifest ninyo dyan. You also have tandem bicycle. Being in partnership. So like what I mentioned kanina, no? Collaboration with others. You may be working with your romantic partner. Pwede rin to sa kaibigan or someone na pinagkakatiwalaan mo, no? Para matupad yung mga goals and dreams mo sa career mo, sa iyong trabaho, sa business mo. Ayan. So let's see your overall energy ngayong January sa money. You have the Queen of Swords. So, marami ka na natutunan pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances. Medyo maingat ka ngayon sa paggastos, no? Pinag-iisipan mo munang maigi bago ka mag-release ng kaperahan. O, diba? With the Four of Pentacles, talagang parang halos ayaw mong ilabas yan. Oo. So, I think you will also be saving a lot of money. You will save your resources, your energy, lalo na sa sa mga pagkakakitaan mo ngayong January. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron din kayong pinapaayos sa inyong bahay, no? Na mga ilangan na pagkagastusan. So, pagdating naman sa challenge, ang challenge is the Knight of Cups and the Queen of Wands. So, ang challenge sa inyo is kung paano nyo maililimit yung spendings nyo na dahil gusto nyo yung isang bagay, dahil parang spark of impulsiveness, no? Kaya you have to be very careful rin, lalo na kung halimbawa kilala mo yung sarili mo na kapag ikaw lumabas, pumunta sa mall, kapag nakita mo yung bagay na gusto mong bilhin, bibilhin mo na agad pag naging available. So, kung sa tingin mo kaya mo namang bilhin, then go for it. Pero kung sa tingin mo na hindi siya ganun ka-practical, kumbaga, iwasan mo na lang munang lumabas para hindi mo makita yon, 'di ba? Oo. So, your opportunity naman, the opportunity is the King of Cups and then the King of Swords. Oh, you have the opportunity to be more emotional and practical and analytical at the same time. So, parang there's a sort of, merong balance, no? Pagdating sa decision making mo na you know what you want, okay? But also, meron ka ring, nagsiset ka rin ng boundaries. Okay? So, yung tipong, meron kang opportunity to help other people, pero nagsiset ka rin ng boundaries na para hindi ka rin nila ma-take advantage. Okay? And yung iba, may mga learning opportunities din kayo ngayon related sa talents and skills ninyo. So, your blessing is the Eight of Cups. Meron kang iiwanang situation. Meron kang babalikan Ito talaga yung true love mo. Ito yung gusto mo talaga. Maaring hindi ka lang nagkaroon ng opportunity before to work things out dito sa dati mong trabaho, sa dati mong career, or dati mong passion, dati mong business. But I think ngayong January, you will give it a try again. And dyan darating na yung blessings for you. Let go of convention and follow your own unique path. Yes. So, susundin mo ang iyong path. Yung kung saan ka dinadala ng iyong tinatahak, kung saan ka dinadala ng iyong destiny, ng purpose mo. Hold the highest vision for your life. You now possess the ability to move past any hurdles. So, for some of you, Capricorn, nagkaroon ng challenges sa finances ninyo, sa career, sa business, ayan na, ito na yung panahon na unti-unti na kayong nakakabangon. The time is right to access and master your abilities. Do so with humility and control. So, ayun na nga. Meron talaga kayong ima-master na ability. So, I think yung iba sa inyo, ngayon nyo yan na-discover. So, if you are very much interested in that at magiging passion nyo na siya, mas doon na kayo magfo-focus. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.